Hello there! I'm so glad you could join me today for a little adventure into the world of natural makeup. Today, let's talk about natural makeup, the kind that lets your real self shine through, enhancing your features without ever hiding them. It's like slipping on your favorite jumper, comfortable, familiar, and just right. Natural makeup is all about feeling at ease in your own skin, like a gentle hug you give yourself every morning. This look isn't about hiding. It's about a gentle polish so you look like you, just on a really good day. It's about celebrating your unique features and letting your personality shine through. Natural makeup is simple and doesn't require a mountain of products. In fact, you only need a handful of essentials to create a look that's fresh, radiant, and totally you. With just a few trusty items, you can create a fresh, clean look for any occasion. Whether you're heading to work, meeting friends, or just enjoying a quiet day at home, it's forgiving, easy to fix, and works for busy mornings or relaxed evenings. If you make a mistake, it's no big deal. Just blend and go. No harsh lines or dramatic colors, just soft edges and gentle shades that flatter every skin tone. The goal is to look refreshed, not overdone. You can play with different textures and tones, but always keep it light and breezy. Think creamy blushes, sheer lip tints, and a touch of mascara for wide-awake eyes. Think of it as a confidence boost in a tube. A little bit of natural makeup can make you feel ready to take on the world, while still feeling like yourself. So, let's dive into a simple routine that'll have you looking and feeling your best, no matter what your day holds. We'll cover prepping your skin, the essentials you need, and how to put it all together. No fuss, no stress, just easy steps anyone can follow. By the end, you'll see that a lovely natural look is as easy as making toast. It's quick, satisfying, and always puts a smile on your face. It's a delightful way to start your day, giving you a little boost of joy and confidence. Ready? Let's get cracking and discover the magic of natural makeup together. Before we dive into makeup, it's important to prepare the perfect canvas, your face. Taking a few extra minutes to get your skin ready can make a world of difference in how your makeup looks and lasts throughout the day. Think of this as the foundation for everything that follows. Start by washing your face with a gentle cleanser and lukewarm water. This step removes any dirt, oil, or leftover makeup from before, giving you a fresh start. Avoid hot water, as it can dry out your skin and cause irritation. After cleansing, pat your face dry with a soft towel. Never rub. Being gentle helps prevent redness and keeps your skin happy and healthy. Next, apply a nourishing moisturizer. This step hydrates and smooths your skin, creating a soft, supple surface that makes makeup glide on beautifully and prevents flakiness. Gently massage a small amount of moisturizer into your face and neck, using upward, circular motions. Take a moment to let it fully absorb. This helps lock in moisture and gives your skin a healthy glow. If you're heading outside, sunscreen is a must, even on cloudy or rainy days. Sun protection is the best way to keep your skin looking youthful and prevent damage. Choose a lightweight, non-greasy sunscreen that layers well under makeup. Apply it evenly to your face and neck, and don't forget your ears. This simple skincare routine leaves your skin looking radiant, feeling comfortable, and perfectly prepped for makeup. When your skin is healthy and hydrated, your makeup blends seamlessly and lasts longer. Remember, a well-prepped base is half the battle. It's the secret to a flawless, natural look. Now your skin is clean, hydrated, and protected, ready for the fun part, creating your makeup masterpiece. With your skin prepped, let's create a natural base. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for the rest of your makeup. A well-prepared base ensures that your makeup lasts longer and looks more seamless. Use a tinted moisturizer or BB cream for light coverage and a healthy glow. These products are great because they even out your skin tone without feeling heavy. They also often contain SPF, which is an added bonus for protecting your skin from the sun. Apply a small amount to the center of your face and blend outwards with fingers, sponge, or brush. This technique helps to avoid any harsh lines and ensures that the product is evenly distributed. Remember, blending is key to achieving a natural look. Let your real skin peek through. Less is more. The goal is to enhance your natural beauty, not cover it up. A sheer application allows your skin's natural texture to shine through, giving you a more youthful and radiant appearance. For spots or dark circles, dab on a little concealer and blend gently. Use a concealer that matches your skin tone to avoid any noticeable patches. Patting the concealer in with your finger can help it melt into your skin for a more natural finish. Choose a shade close to your skin tone for a seamless finish. Test the shade on your jawline to ensure it blends well with both your face and neck. This step is important to avoid any noticeable lines of demarcation. If you get shiny, dust a bit of translucent powder on your T-zone. This area tends to produce more oil, so a light dusting of powder can help control shine without making your skin look cakey. Use a fluffy brush and keep it light. You want a fresh, skin-like finish. A fluffy brush helps to distribute the powder evenly and prevents you from applying too much product. The goal is to set your makeup without losing the natural glow of your skin. The goal, even polished skin that still looks like you. Your makeup should enhance your features, not mask them. Aim for a look that is polished yet natural, allowing your true beauty to shine through. Time to add some life to your cheeks. Cream or liquid blush gives a natural, healthy flush, just like after a brisk walk. Smile, dab blush on the apples of your cheeks, and blend upwards along your cheekbones. Choose peachy or rosy tones for a soft effect. Next, a touch of highlighter for a subtle, dewy glow. Dab a tiny bit on your cheekbones, bridge of your nose, brow bone, and Cupid's bow. Blend gently for a natural sheen. No glitter, just a healthy radiance. These steps bring warmth and light to your face, keeping the look fresh and effortless. Let's define the eyes, gently. Start with brows. Brush them up and out with a spoolie. Fill any gaps with light, hair-like strokes using a pencil or powder that matches your hair. For eyelids, swipe on a single neutral eyeshadow, soft brown, taupe, or peach. Blend edges for a seamless wash of color. Finish with mascara. Wiggle the wand at the base of your lashes, then sweep up. One coat is enough for a natural look. Add a second for more definition. Well-groomed brows and softly defined eyes make you look awake and polished, without looking overdone. Want your natural look to last all day? Here's how. Prepping your skin with moisturizer and primer if you like helps makeup grip. Apply base products in thin layers, let each set before adding more. For shine, use blotting paper or a tissue instead of piling on powder. This keeps your makeup fresh, not cakey. Finish with a setting spray mist lightly to lock everything in and give a natural finish. These simple tricks keep your look flawless from morning to night. And there you have it, a simple, natural makeup routine. It's not about changing who you are, but enhancing your best features. This quick ritual boosts confidence and sets a positive tone for your day. Natural makeup suits every lifestyle. Busy mornings, work days, or coffee with friends. It's practical, efficient, and always appropriate. Remember, start with happy skin, use light products, blend well, and focus on enhancing, not covering. Celebrate your unique beauty every day. Sometimes the simplest touches, like blush or mascara, bring the most joy. Now how about...
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.